What's better than a mug cake, you ask? A mug brownie, of course. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Let's get this yummy fudgy show on the road. Here I have a medium-sized mug to which I will add all my ingredients and mix them all very well and bake. First goes in your flour, followed by your brown sugar. I'm adding brown sugar here because it gives it a lovely nutty flavor. Next goes in the cocoa powder. Give all of this a good mix till everything is well combined. The rules here are the same as you would bake a normal cake. All the ingredients should be at room temperature. Now you would add your milk. Next goes in the oil, followed by a dash of vanilla. Now give all of this a good mix, not too vigorously, just until everything is combined. Here I am adding a few chocolate chips because why not? More chocolate. Mix them in with your batter. And now for the star of the show. We are going to add it right into our batter. Make a small well in the center and fill it with a generous scoop of Nutella. Now we bake this in the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds. For more details on this, don't forget to read the description box below. Our fudgy brownies are ready in no time and it's smelling delicious in here. I'm sprinkling this with just a little icing sugar. For more such easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on that notification bell. I just can't wait any longer to dig into this. I'm going to enjoy this and I'll see you again next week. Happy baking!